Hey, I'm your personal assistant. How can I help you?
Hello.
Hello, sir. I am listening to you.
What is your name?
I am Alyssa Carson, but you can call me Alyssa.
Introduce yourself.
I am Alyssa Carson. My version in 19.1.0. My version will be upgrade very soon.
Jeez.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Take a picture.
Open Facebook.
Okay, sir.
Can you check my Gmail?
Of course, sir.
Send a Gmail.
Tell me the receiver.
Tutul.
Tell me the subject.
Hi.
What should I say?
Hey buddy, what's up?
Message sent successfully.
Successful.
Thank you.
My pleasure, sir.
Create a folder.
Tell me the folder name.
University file.
Done, sir.
Tell the time.
11:07 and 18 seconds p.m.
Clean recycle bin.
Done, sir.
Good.
Play music.
From where? YouTube or local derive?
YouTube.
Bangla or Hindi or English?
Hindi.
हिंदी तो विषय
Let me search for you.
Oh, तेरी what a choice, man.
I am not able to get you. Please say it again. I beg your pardon. Please say it again.
Thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Alyssa, can you tell me a joke?
My boss told me to have a good day. So I went home. Haha.
I love you, baby.
It is my pleasure. I love you too.
Well. How old are you?
Well, my birthday on January 12th, 2019.
Search my location.
Let me search for you.
Is the root number?
Play music.
I beg your pardon. Please say it again.
Play music. ফুল দিও কলি দিও কাটা দিও না
Legendary music.
লিজেন্ডারি মিউজিক আমাদের
From where? YouTube or local derive?
লোকাল ড্রাইভ
What is programming?
I beg your pardon. Please say it again. I beg your pardon. Please say it again.
What is programming?
Programming is the process of taking an algorithm and encoding it into a notation, a programming language, so that it can be executed by a computer. Programming is coding, modeling,
Nice information.
simulating, or presenting the solution to
This
a
is
problem
called AI, man.
by representing facts, data, or information using predefined rules and
Thank you for your information.
my pleasure, sir.
বাই
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.